My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Today we do have an important release. We have Yeezy's 700 V3s. Oh my god, I got one. Another one. Bro, I'm about to get my zip code banned again. 2. We also have 2 UNCs that came in the mail today. Profit margins on these foam runners are going to be absolutely crazy, so I really hope that everything goes smoothly. Whoa, what the hell? Don't tell me I'm banned again. Don't tell me I'm banned again on Yeezy supply, bro. Oh my god, I got one. Oh my god, I got another one. Another one? You've got to be kidding me. Yesterday I went for the Air Max clots. It was kind of like a last minute decision. That's why I didn't record my camera. I really wasn't expecting to go for it, but then right before it dropped I was like, you know what, might as well. And I do not regret it because I did manage to secure myself a pair. What is it? Okay, anyways, we got 2 orange pearl dunks that came in the mail today. And we also have foam runners. I didn't expect it to come in this kind of box. Like, this is the shoe box for it. So, let's open it up. Whoa, this is weird looking. What was that? Oh, the tag came off. It's not even attached. Just threw it in there. What the heck is this thing, man? It's so weird, I love it. Some brands try to be different just for the sake of being different, and I really don't think this is the case here. Kanye really did have some sort of vision with this, so it's really interesting to see how everything unfolds. We got a bunch of stuff in the mail in today. First up, we got 4 of those Yeezy 700 V3s. We got 2 more UNCs that came in, and we got these that came in. I'm gonna keep it 100. Buying this was a mistake. Like, this is a brick, dude. I know some people are buying it to hold it, like, for when the winter time comes around, but I didn't expect it to brick basically right away. So I have to hold it, I predict, around until the end of the year, just for me to make my money back. So that means I would have about like a couple of $1,000s tied up in these jackets. Not exactly my proudest cop, but it is what it is. It happens. Alright, during the past few days, been pretty dry as far as sneaker releases are concerned. However, today we do have a few shoes dropping. These are going to be dropping in about 30 minutes. Hopefully we don't come out empty-handed.
Let's go.
What the hell? Yo, I just hit a Jordan 1 UNC. Alright, I kind of failed on Shopify. To be honest, I only ran a few tasks. I was only really trying to get one of these New Balances because I wasn't 100% sure about the resale price. But I did get a Jordan 1 UNC on the Finish Line app, and to be honest, if these ship out, that's actually a huge W. Next up, we have Kobe's dropping on Undefeated. I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up. Drop hella early. Olympic gold 2. he got two. Boat. Hate these boats, man.
Let's go.
Another processing. Got it. Damn, yo, I'm kind of killing it, man. Oh, just got another one. Oh, another black. Let's go. Alright, that was insane. Ended off the day with 5 checkouts for Kobe's and a Jordan 1 UNC in the GS sizes. Insanely successful. I did hear that the stock was pretty fat on these Kobe's, but nevertheless, I am pretty happy about these cops. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with them. For Kobe's that are quite important Kobe releases, usually I like sell them for around retail price for people that actually want them, but I haven't quite decided on these. I am pretty happy that I did run 2 bots. This is kind of why sometimes I run 2 bots on Shopify releases. I know the captures can be a bit unmanageable, but sometimes one bot works and the other bot doesn't work. In this case, my cyber didn't work at all. Even though I was typing in the correct answers, it was saying that I got it wrong. Managed to score some W's, so I'll take it. So last night before I went to sleep, I went ahead and ran some tasks on Storm, and then I woke up to a bunch of checkouts. Currently this bot is in private beta, but it is definitely on the rise. I am very much looking forward to what they have in store in the future. From what I've been told, the cancel rate from the retailer that I purchased from really depends on the model that you buy. For example, some models cancel more than others. The models that I purchased specifically actually is known to have a really high cancel rate, and I did not know that before running it. So I already have a bunch of these canceled. I hope at least a few of them survive, but not looking very good. In the next few days, I'm going to be running models that are more likely to ship out. In other news, these Air Maxes came in the mail today. Let's see what they look like. First of all, the box, very nice. Whoa, what is that? I've never seen anything like this before. The toe box is completely transparent. Don't remember it looking like this in the pictures at all, but I kind of like it just because it's like super weird and different. Not gonna lie, I'm not sure if these would be comfortable to wear. If any of you guys kept these as a personal or at least tried it on, let me know in the comments if this is comfortable, because this doesn't seem like it. If I had to take a guess, this would feel like wearing a pair of leather shoes. Oh my gosh, dude, check this out. That is so cool. Anyways, that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. The next episode is going to be episode 100. That is a video that you definitely don't want to miss, especially if you are a reseller, because you might get lucky winning some things that you might need for your reselling operations. Who knows? We'll see what ends up happening on the next episode.